In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an iframe in Elementor. Elementor is a popular page builder for WordPress that allows users to create stunning web pages with ease. Adding an iframe can enhance your content by embedding videos, maps, slideshows, and even entire web pages directly onto your site. This can drastically enrich your visitors' experience by providing them with additional resources or interactive content without leaving your page. Let's dive into the step-by-step process of doing this efficiently. First, you'll need to open Elementor and access the page or post where you want to add the iframe. Make sure you are in the edit mode of the page you wish to amend. If you haven't done so, navigate to the WordPress dashboard, select Pages or Posts from the side menu, locate your desired option and click Edit with Elementor. Now that you're inside the Elementor editor, you're ready to proceed. Next, let's add a new section to place your iframe. Hover over the desired area on your page and click the plus icon to add a new section. Choose the structure layout that best suits your design needs, whether it's full width, 2 columns, or any other configuration. This will establish a designated area for your iframe to occupy. Once your section is ready, it's time to insert the HTML widget. The HTML widget is crucial because it allows you to input the iframe code directly. Look at the left-hand side panel, type HTML into the widget search bar, and drag the HTML widget into your newly created section. This is where the magic happens. Ready your iframe code. This is the code snippet that starts with iframe and typically includes a URL to the content you want to embed. Ensure that you have copied this complete code from the source. It's often found in share or embed menus on platforms like YouTube or Google Maps. Now, paste this iframe code into the HTML code field of your widget panel on the left. Be sure to double-check that the code is correct and that all tags are properly closed to avoid display issues. After pasting your code, you should see the content appear in your new section. Take a moment to review how it looks within your page's design. Make sure it aligns well with the rest of your content. Also, ensure it functions as expected. You can use the preview option in the Elementor editor to see how your iframe appears in both desktop and mobile views, ensuring a responsive design. Finally, once you're satisfied with how everything looks and functions, don't forget to save your work. Click the green Update button at the bottom of the panel. This will publish the changes you've made to your site. Keep in mind any necessary compliance requirements such as data privacy laws depending on the nature of your content. And there you have it, a beautifully integrated iframe within your Elementor page to engage your audience more effectively. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!